Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Lava mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava mobile guys Wi-Fi setting, how to connect Wi-Fi network in Lava mobile. Friends, you want to connect Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile, so how to connect one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about Wi-Fi full setting, how to use Wi-Fi full setting. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Let's open your phone setting. After on phone setting, friends, click here Wi-Fi setting, and Wi-Fi setting is off. So first of all, turn on Wi-Fi. After turn on Wi-Fi, refresh your Wi-Fi setting. After refresh, friends, you can check your available networks. So friends, which network you have, select your network. Friends, there are many networks in my nearby device. So friends, I have 5G network. I will select 5G network, and I will connect 5G network in my mobile. And you can check your password from here, show password and don't show password, connect option. Wi-Fi will connect, and once you can use this Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile connected. After connect Wi-Fi network, once you want to use YouTube app, you can on YouTube app, you can use it in your Lava mobile. So like that friends, we can connect Wi-Fi network in Lava mobile and we can use it. And friends, you want to disconnect Wi-Fi network, so friends you can disconnect. Click your right side, disconnect. Wi-Fi will disconnect to your phone, and friends you cannot use this Wi-Fi network, and friends you cannot use YouTube app. You are offline, no connection. So friends, again click here, and guys Wi-Fi will connect automatic, and friends you can use Wi-Fi again in your device. Go back online. So like that friends, we can use Wi-Fi setting, we can connect, we can disconnect Wi-Fi network. Friends, in nearby device you want to share Wi-Fi QR code, so you can share from here. And friends, if you click forget option, after forget friends, you cannot use this Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile. Again you want to connect, you want to use, you will have to enter password. Then friends you can use Wi-Fi network. You can connect Wi-Fi network. Friends, you want to add any Wi-Fi network, enter Wi-Fi network name, enter password, you can connect Wi-Fi. And friends, if you click here, so friends you can join Wi-Fi network with QR code. Scan QR code in this frame and you can join any Wi-Fi network in your Lava mobile. And friends, you can check save network, and you want to delete, you want to share save network, you can delete and you can forget from here. Friends, you can see save network will remove from here. Wi-Fi data users, friends, you want to check, so you can check Wi-Fi data uses changes, change date, and you can check your Wi-Fi data uses in your Lava mobile. 16 March, 13 April, you can check Wi-Fi data uses. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to use Wi-Fi full setting. Last we will turn off Wi-Fi. Bye friends.